Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, you will practice English with a real hotel conversation and learn useful hotel vocabulary. This is perfect for beginners and anyone working in hospitality or tourism. Let's explore and practice together. Making a reservation. Good evening, Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Certainly. What dates will you be staying?
From September 20th to September 22nd.
Great! We have a double room available. Would you like a king bed or 2 single beds?
A king bed, please.
Perfect. May I have your name for the reservation?
Sure, it's Anna Nguyen.
Thank you, Miss Nguyen. Your room is confirmed for September 20th to 22nd.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you.
Check-in. Good afternoon. Welcome to Ocean View Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked a double room for 2 nights under the name Anna Nguyen.
Thank you, Miss Nguyen. May I see your ID and credit card, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Great. Your room is on the 5th floor, number 502. Breakfast is included from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Check out.
Good morning. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I'd like to check out, please. Room 502, under the name Anna Nguyen.
Thank you, Miss Nguyen. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, everything was wonderful.
I'm glad to hear that. Here's your bill. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
By card, please.
All right. Payment approved. Here is your receipt.
Great, thank you. What time is the airport shuttle?
It leaves every hour. The next one is at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. I'll take that. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Complaint. Hello, this is room 405. I have a problem with the air conditioner.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you tell me what's wrong?
It's not cooling at all, and the room feels very hot.
I understand. Let me check. We can send our maintenance staff to fix it right away.
How long will that take?
About 15 minutes. Or, if you prefer, we can move you to another room immediately.
I'd prefer to change rooms, please.
Certainly. We have a similar room on the 6th floor. I'll arrange it for you now.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, and we apologize for the inconvenience.
VIP guest. Good evening, Mr. Smith. Welcome back to our hotel.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here again.
We have prepared your favorite suite and a welcome gift.
That's very kind of you. Can I also get a late checkout tomorrow?
Of course, as a VIP guest, you can check out at 3 p.m.
Excellent. I really appreciate your service.
It's our pleasure, sir. Enjoy your stay with us. Room service?
Hello, this is room 405. I'd like to order dinner, please.
Certainly. What would you like to have?
I'll have a grilled chicken with rice and a green salad.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a bottle of water, please.
Perfect. Your order will be delivered in about 30 minutes.
Great. Can I pay with my card when it arrives?
Of course. You can pay by card or charge it to your room.
I'll pay by card. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your dinner. Hotel English vocabulary. Reservation. When you book a room in advance. Example. I made a reservation for 2 nights at the hotel. Check-in. The process of arriving and getting your room. Example. We will check in at the hotel at 2 p.m. Check-out. The process of leaving and paying the bill. Example. We check out tomorrow morning after breakfast. Front desk or reception. The counter where guests are welcomed. Example. Please ask for your key at the front desk. Bellboy or bellman. A staff member who carries your luggage. Example. The bellboy carried our bags to the room. Concierge. A hotel worker who helps with taxis, tickets, or tours. Example: the concierge booked a taxi for us. Housekeeping. The staff who clean and prepare the rooms. Example: housekeeping cleaned the room and changed the towels. Room service. Food or drinks delivered to your room. Example: we ordered pizza from room service. Amenities. Extra things the hotel offers, like pool or Wi-Fi. Example: the hotel amenities include a swimming pool and free Wi-Fi. Types of rooms. Single room. A room for one person, usually with one bed. Example: I stayed in a single room with one bed. Double room. A room for two people with one big bed or two beds. Example: we booked a double room for two people. Suite. A large special room with extra space or living area. Example: they spent their honeymoon in a luxury suite. Connecting rooms. Two rooms linked by a door inside. Example: the family chose connecting rooms for convenience. Dormitory. A room with many beds, usually for travelers. Example: many students stayed in the dormitory. Payment and prices. Deposit. Money you pay first to hold a room. Example: you need to pay a $50 deposit when booking. Cancellation fee. Money you pay if you cancel too late. Example: there is a cancellation fee if you cancel late. No-show. When a guest books but doesn't arrive. Example: the hotel charges guests for a no-show. Rate per night. The price for one night stay. Example: the rate per night is $120. All-inclusive. A price that includes food, drinks, and services. Example: we bought an all-inclusive vacation package. Thanks for watching this video on hotel conversations and vocabulary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English videos. See you in the next video.